অ্যালফাবেট ট্রিজের নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে আজকের ক্লাসটা শুরু করলাম। এ, বি, সি, ডি, ই, এফ, জি, এইচ, আই, জে, কে, এল, এম, এন, ও, পি, কিউ, আর, এস, টি, ইউ, ভি, ডাব্লিউ, এক্স, ওয়াই, জেড। A for apple, A for ant. B, B for ball, B for bat. C, C for cat, C for cow. D, D for dog, D for deer. E, E for egg, E for elephant. F, F for frog, F for fish. G, G for girl, G for goat. H, H for hen, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for impart. J, J for joker, J for jackal. K, K for key, K for knife. L, L for lemon, L for leaf. M, M for monkey, M for mouse. N, N for nut, N for nest. O, O for ox, O for owl. P, P for parrot, P for pizza. Q, Q for quail, Q for quilt. R, R for rabbit, R for rose. S, S for sun, S for star. T, T for tiger, T for train. U, U for umbrella, U for arm. V, V for vase, V for van. W, W for wolf, W for watch. X, X for Xmas tree, X for Xerox. Y, Y for yak, Y for yoga. Z, Z for zebra, Z for zoo.